Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever said things like she play guitar, or they loves music, don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're fixing that with subject-verb agreement rules, made super easy to understand. Rule number 1. A singular subject takes a singular verb. When your subject is singular, add s or es to the verb. For example, she plays guitar every day. And remember, he, she or it always make the verb singular. Rule number 2. A plural subject takes a plural verb. When your subject is plural, use the base form of the verb without s. For example, they play basketball after class. Rule number 3. Two subjects joined by conjunction and take a plural verb. If two or more subjects are connected by the word and, treat them as plural. For example, John and Mary work together. Think of it as both people doing the action together, so plural verb. Rule number 4. Two subjects joined by the words or nor. When two subjects are connected by the word or nor, the verb agrees with the subject that's closest to it. For example, either the teacher or the students are ready. Here's a tip: always look at the noun nearest to the verb. Rule number 5. Indefinite pronouns. Most indefinite pronouns, like everyone, each, or somebody, are treated singular. For example, everyone loves ice cream, or somebody has a question. But some indefinite pronouns are plural, like many, few, both, and several. For example, many know the answer, or few have seen it. Rule number 6. Collective nouns. Collective nouns, like team, family, or group, are usually singular when acting as one unit. For example, the team wins every match. But, if you mean the individuals, you can use plural. For example, the team are arguing among themselves. Rule number 7. Distances, time, and money. When talking about measurements, time, or money, even if the number is plural, treat it as singular. For example, $10 is enough. It is treated as one amount or one period. Rule number 8. Titles of books, movies, or organizations. Even if a title looks plural, it's considered singular. For example, The Avengers is a blockbuster superhero film. Now you know how to make your subjects and verbs agree like a pro. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more English learning videos, and share this with a friend who needs a grammar boost.